in that game against the Cebu Classic. Pero nagbabalik dito. And the tip going to the side of the Muntinlupa Cagers. One of the best offensive teams so far this season. Flores, sinugod yung depensa. Scores immediately para dito sa Cagers.
Announcing his entry. Nice to see that he is up and running once again. He's going to be a very important piece para sa Muntinlupa this season, especially because of the range of his
long suit. But anytime you can hit that, that's going to open up a lot of things for Bataan. Flores answers with a free of his own.
That was made possible by the drive.
Papunta kay Robbie Darang. That backcourt combination of both these teams, something to watch. We see Robbie Darang slice through the defense and score once again. Here, Minus off to the races. Bounce pass, Robbie Darang lays it up and in.
Nice defense there by Bataan.
Pass to Robbie Darang. The entry, papunta kay Chris Xavier. He scores.
And nothing much you can do there if you're Muntinlupa. Flores was able to rotate.
Flores is open. Same spot, same result. Another free for JR.
Quick 8 points here to start.
It's Bataan. Flores gets it to Marvin Hayes. Susugod. Left-handed layup is good, plus a foul.
That's a nice seal screen set by J-Boy Gobs.
Ano naman yan mga Northern Luzon teams. Ito, si Mark Sarangay gets the bounce plus a foul.
Aging gracefully, ito si Mark Sarangay.
In this early season, itong Bataan has been scoreless for the last 3 minutes or so until that basket by Dom Vera.
Try to uphold excellence as much as they can. And even if they don't show the results in terms of the wins, as Hubert Cani knocks down a 3-point shot.
Gabawan. He attacks, lays it up and in, and gets fouled. One more free throw para dito kay Jamil Gabawan. Gonzales, they all played. Oh, great forward pass. Vera is gone on the other end.
The support that he's right. You, Coach Bert Flores.
Okay. Sarangay. Oh, Mark Sarangay just pouring it on here in the first period. Wala natapik, napunta kay Patrick Ramos. Going right at Hubert Cani. Marge De Leon there for the cleanup. Time winding down here in the first period. The unit of Muntinlupa right now featuring 4 former Heavy Bombers and 1 former Cardinal. Pero nakita natin si Marge De Leon able to score. And now Muntinlupa ahead by 11. Hubert Cani, supply, but the stick back by William Bing off the weak side. He's joined by Dom Vera, Jamil Gabawan, JL Capulong, and William Bing. Dom Vera drills in a free.
That's a welcome sign.
Tracks it down, tatakbo siya dito. Dom Vera slides in and scores.
Makikita mo yung iba sa galaw. Bring back his confidence.
Mark Sarangay, sinugod yung depensa. Hayes, that second serving, successful for Marvin Hayes. 3 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists for Kuya Marv. Darang stops on the dime, puts it in!
One of his favorite shots on the floor. Going left and pulling up.
Binigay muna kay Sazon. Off the glass and in. Yves Sazon making it look easy. It's away. Doesn't get the roll. Kuya Marv inside. Gets the basket.
Well, Bataan has to do a better job.
Marvin Hayes. Laban kay Jeff Santos. Matiliano. Bagyang na libre. And that slight opening just what he needs to drill in that shot.
Medyo bumaba.
Marvin Hayes. Short stab, no good. Tatakbo si Robbie Darang. Has Puroy Kantimbuan to beat. Robbie Darang able to score over Puroy.
They have to take advantage of their speed.
Umaangat na naman yung intensity nitong Bataan. Oh, Octobre able to catch that pass and scores underneath.
This is a very talented team that has a lot.
Kaataon, makalapit o makatabla. Rafi Octobre spins away from the defense and scores. Silky smooth jumper from Rafi Octobre. Naagawan, Garang off to the races. Robbie gives Bataan the lead. This is why this venue has always been something to look forward to as we see Andre Flores silence the crowd momentarily with a free. Tinlupa defending against Bataan on this possession. Mitchell Maines able to glide in and score.
That's really
At the post, Jerra Flores. Turnaround jumper. That's tough over Jamil Gabawan.
just the way he started.
Patrick Ramos playing off the ball. Oh, what a move. That was Steve Smith right there. Patrick Ramos.
Signature move ba yun ni Steve
Oo.
Smith?
Alam ni Coach F yan. Ito, si Jamil Gabawan able to carve out space and score in the paint. This time, it won't work. Robbie Darang sends it to Jamil Gabawan, sidesteps his way to the basket.
Now I'm seeing better defense right now.
For both of these teams. 10-8. Bataan with 10. 8 para sa Muntinlupa. Tres Di Vera, pasok yan! They're just down by 1 here.
Oh, nice pass.
All the momentum on the side of Bataan right now. This is Raf Flores taking that free and making it.
Nice way to restore order here para sa Muntinlupa.
Here for Muntinlupa. Matiliano swings it. Raf Flores, another free. It's good! Back-to-back frees by J.R. Raf Flores. Chris Javier. Sazon for free. Yes, sir!
I was about to say that Ives Sazon.
But he continues to shoot and knocks down another.
Well, if doesn't take a lot for Ives Sazon
To keep it step. Skip pass off that flare screen. Matiliano drills in a free.
Also only his game para kay Domeric Matiliano, 6 points.
Sazon finds Jeff Santos. Cutting back door.
Oh, the Cagers got lost in the shuffle underneath.
Sazon puts the ball on the deck. He falls down as well. He recovers. Jeff Santos off that gorgeous feed from Alex Ramos.
Sazon, though he lost possession.
Tight pass. Marvin Hayes. Walang foul pa rin. 4 seconds remaining. Hayes puts one up. Andre Flores able to sneak in and score. Jeff Santos and...
That's Mark Sarangay.
Yeah.
And Santos was already in fighting stance. Nakaupo pa siya sa sahig.
And sinailangan yung mga minutes niya without Kurt Lohera today. As we see Robbie Darang able to steal that rock and score once more. We have Miss Sydney Crespo. Nakagaw na naman si Robbie Darang. The foot speed, the layup! Coach Mark Tandan, former assistant coach for the Bataan Risers, now with Muntinlupa. Gabawan sneaks in a layup.
That's excellent teamwork displayed there. Robbie Darang has had his imprint on this game.
Oh, stopping on a dime, kissing it off the glass and in. 20 points for Robbie Darang. To Matiliano. Looks like Bataan will not foul. Matiliano almost losing it. Raf Flores for free. Oh! What a shot by big J.R. Raf Flores. Goodness.
Matiliano lost it, picked up by Raflores, and against 2 defenders, Jamil Gabawan was in front of him. Dom Vera on the...
Sazon having trouble, gets it to Yambing. Great defense by Marvin Hayes. It went off him though.
Well, Patrick Ramos needed to rest. He played the entire fourth quarter.
Sazon lays it up and in over Marvin Hayes.
Ngayon ito yung mahirap if you're... Wow.
Sarangay catches, nilabas, kapunta kay Raflo. Takes the free. Oh, backs it in!
I was gonna say...
They go at the post. Marvin Hayes against Yves Sazon. Handoff to Dolmark Batiliano. Fires a free and scores!
Nice execution by Muntinlupa.
Receives the pass from Sazon. Foul against Sarangay. Penalty situation for either squad.
Although it is gonna be an opportunity for them to tie this game.
Sinks in the second one. No need to foul if you're Bataan. Batiliano, nahanap si Marvin Hayes. Puts up a free. It's good! Kabawan, sablay ulit yung pangalawa. Kapulong gets it back. JL trying to power up. Gets it back, gets it in, plus a foul. Still not over, 6 seconds to go.
Now he has that decision.
Out of 6 on the line. Clearly trying to miss it. Oh! It will stay with Bataan! Yeah. They're still alive! Win.
Oh, Batiliano. Nobody was in front of him, but he ran out of space.
Here we go. Sazon catches, fires, it's good! Say yes to Yves!
How could you forget about Yves Sazon? What a screen set there by Jamil Gabawan para kay Yves Sazon. That
here, Muntinlupa. Flores catches and will not get off a shot. That's the ball game. What a win by the Bataan Risers.
What a team victory para dito sa Bataan Risers. A nice way to end their losing slump.